The 3 exercises you should be doing. The first is the wobble chair to warm up the spine. So you're going to twist and bend for an amazing adjustment. And the traction on the wall help to warm up the ligaments and tendons to prepare yourself for an adjustment for the molding part. You get adjusted and we fix it, and then afterwards we put weight on your head, or you're lying down on your back and using gravity's weight to mold those curves that are supposed to be in your spine back into the proper position.